The OSI model explained using a parcel delivery analogy. Imagine I wanted to send you a gift, a present, being a box of beers. This would be layer 7 of the OSI model, which is the application layer, aka the box of beer. But not just any box. I wanted to present this box of beers with a beautiful ribbon. This ribbon presented is layer 6 of the OSI model, the presentation layer. And I wanted to complete this presentation by adding a tag, aka a session, which is layer 5, the session layer. These three OSI layers, 7, 6, and 5, are combined into one application layer, in the next layer being the TCP IP, being layers 4 and 3 respectively. However, before we can understand the next layers, we must conceptualize this analogy a little further. You see, the 7 layers of the OSI model are encapsulated, aka wrapped, into each other, going downwards from layer 7 to layer 1. So, continuing our analogy, we have placed our box of beer with its associated ribbon and its tag into our delivery package box, which needs a layer 4, which is the transport layer, aka the house address, to where I will be sending this parcel. And the next layer, naturally, would be the city, aka layer 3, the network layer of where this parcel is going. The next layer going down the encapsulation is layer 2, the data link layer, aka this parcel box, which I will be posting through a postal delivery service. And the final layer, aka wrap, is layer 1, the physical layer, which in this analogy would be the carrier's delivery van. In the physical world, this van would obviously travel various roads and routes and hills and mountains, etc., to get the parcel from one location to the other. In the digital world, these would be the cables and wires where the electronic signals transmit from one network to another, aka the computer cables or the physical roads. Now, to recap this important keynote, the process I have just explained is known as encapsulation, and we started from layer 7 of the OSI model, which was the application layer, and we encapsulated, aka wrapped, all the way down to layer 1, the physical layer. Therefore, when the parcel arrives at its delivery location, the process opens up in reverse, being decapsulation, aka unwrapping. Keynote decapsulation works from layer 1 upwards rather than encapsulation, which starts from layer 7 downwards. Now, let's expand this analogy into more technical cybersecurity context. There is a popular free packet sniffer tool known as Wireshark, which can be installed onto a computer network to sit and listen to all the network traffic, aka to see the entire OSI model layers and associated protocols occurring over the network. This is a fairly powerful and complex tool with a very friendly user interface where you can watch, filter, or even save traffic, aka all the elements of the encapsulation and decapsulation process at each level. I will discuss all these technical protocols in a separate video, so do ensure you are subscribed to the channel. But for now, here are some very high-level examples of some protocols in each of these layers. And finally, here is a bonus tip to understand the context of Wireshark and the original parcel delivery analogy. You can think of Wireshark as a free tracking service to see where and when the parcel will be delivered at your address. I hope you enjoyed today's content as much as I enjoyed creating it. It would be great if you could leave a like and subscribe if not already to this channel to ensure you do not miss any future videos. And this also helps the channel to continue to grow, reaching more and more audiences so that everybody can learn cybersecurity.